Allow to marinate, unpacking the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we're going to dive into the interesting phrase, allow to marinate. Often heard in both cooking and metaphorical contexts, understanding this phrase can add flavor to your English conversations. So, let's get started and explore its meaning and usage. Firstly, let's understand the literal meaning of marinate. Marinating is a cooking process where you soak food, especially meat, in a marinade. A marinade is usually a mixture of oil, vinegar or lemon juice, and spices. This process is done to tenderize the meat and enhance its flavor. When we say, allow to marinate, it means letting the food sit in the marinade for a period of time. This is crucial for the flavors to fully infuse into the food. Now, let's explore the metaphorical use of this phrase. In everyday language, allow to marinate can mean letting an idea or thought sit in your mind for a while. It implies thinking deeply about something or reflecting on an experience or information. Just like in cooking, where marinating takes time for flavors to develop, this metaphor suggests taking time to fully understand or absorb an idea. To make it clearer, let's look at some examples. 1. After the meeting, I needed some time to allow the ideas to marinate before making a decision. 2. It's a complex concept. Let it marinate, and we can discuss it tomorrow. 3. She read the novel once and then let the story marinate in her mind before writing a review. These examples show how the phrase is used in different contexts, emphasizing the importance of giving time to process information or experiences. When using this phrase, avoid these common mistakes. Don't use it for immediate actions. It implies a process that takes time. It's often used for abstract concepts, not for physical actions. Remember, it's allow to marinate, not allow marinating. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, allow to marinate, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about giving time to thoughts or ideas, just like how flavors develop in a good marinade. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.